Zander here is the Play Coach, and I wanted to share with you this, the first ever galactic play note. Now, I created this thing to remind us of our universal state of play and help open up our creative minds a bit more. Origami is a great thing to do. So you scan this QR code in the back to take you a place where you can download the stencils so you can print out more, but also learn how to make some pretty cool origami animal folds like the peacock, which is perfect for beginners, as well as an elephant, a turtle, a butterfly, a dolphin, and more, all for free at craniogami.org, or I also have a playlist on my YouTube channel. So once you finish folding up your HACKiBill animal, go out to the playground of our planet and take a cool pic of it somewhere, you know, hashtag Craniogami, tag me. I'd love to see where these things end up, of course. Right? Follow me on YouTube at ZPlayCoach to find more ways to activate what I call your play flow state and hack into your mind, body, and spirit while you're here on this playground. All right, you guys, have a good one. Aloha and blessings.